Confluence also provides you the option to promote blueprints in the create dialog. So for example, let's visit Jessica's diary and click on space settings. Under the content tool section, you can also see a promote icon. As you can read from the text, promoted blueprints displays at the top of the create dialog. Unpromoted blueprints and templates will be collapsed below it. So I've opened the same link in a new tab, and let's see how this promote option works. So once you see on the create button, you can see that currently these are the templates which have been promoted. Now in case you want to promote only master project documentation, you can click this. In case you want to promote career development plan, you can click on promote, and similarly product requirements blueprint. So these are the 3 blueprints which I want to promote. Now once I go over here and click refresh, and now you can see that only these 3 templates which I had promoted can be seen at the top of the screen. Rest of the templates have been collapsed under show more. So once you click on show more, you would be able to see rest of the templates, but in case you want to promote particular templates, you can do that using this option. So promoting item in this case would help ensure consistency in a space by encouraging the users to create particular types of content instead of blank pages. So for example, in case you want the team to use the product requirement template every time they define, track and scope requirements for a product, in that case you can promote product requirements template. That will encourage the team to use this template instead of selecting a blank page and creating the structure from scratch. There is one more option which you can see on the space settings section, that is the disable option. So you may want to disable particular blueprints. For example, you may not want to see the product requirements blueprint in the create dialog in an HR or social space. So if you are a Confluence administrator, you can also disable particular page and space blueprints for the whole site. Now to just disable a particular blueprint, just click on this disable button. So for example, in case you want to disable master project documentation, you can do that by just clicking on disable. And once in case you want to enable it, you can click back on enable. You must have noted that once I selected the disable option, the option to promote and unpromote is no more available, which is logical because you don't have the blueprint available under the create page section, and that's why you don't have the option to promote or unpromote it. If you want to see whether the blueprints which we have disabled can now be seen under the create page list of templates or not, then you can do that by just searching for that template. So the template were master project documentation. So let me search for master project. So you can see that there are no such templates listed over here. So let's enable it again. Now if I search for this template, master project, so you can see that the template has been enabled again. So this is how the blueprint functionality works, which gives you the option to promote, disable, edit the existing templates and customize the space according to your need. Would encourage you to play and explore other templates as well. And in case you face any difficulty in using any of the templates, or you want me to capture any particular template in detail, just let me know through the discussion forum. I can have a separate lecture created for the same. See you in the next lecture. Thank you.